Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be going over this bot right here. I know it has a weird name because, well, my owners like to mess around, but it's not that complicated. All it is a partner bot, and partner bots are actually really helpful when it comes to setting up new servers. There's going to be a link in bio as always containing the invite for this bot. But pretty much to start it off, you type in PB help, sends it to your DMs. A lot of these bots do that, but some say it like in channel. So pretty much how this works is, well, I'll show you. This is the prefix PB. Oh, I guess we can change it. I didn't know that. But you pretty much start with PB setup, and you run through it. Pretty sure I can run through it here. PB setup. Okay, you run PB setup, and it's going to bring you up this. You pretty much type in what channel you want it to go to. This one's dev, so just do that one. And actually I'm not gonna do it here, because if I do it here, then there is a way to undo it, but I'm not trying to do that work tonight. Auto partners, I'm just gonna have it sent to the one I'm doing right now. That's usually what I call it, auto partners, and then that's it. Well, actually no, that's not it. What you have to do from here is pretty much, I may get to it. It's gonna send a message here. It's not gonna do it because I already have it set up, but it's gonna send a message here that says pretty much like where you're gonna type what it says here, like how these just say hi, please join, stuff like that. Hi, please join or please join our anime server, stuff like that. You type in like either a big paragraph or a small paragraph. You have a background, like I don't know if any of these people are gonna have anything, but like a big one like this. You do a big text like that, usually catches more people's eyes. I mean, it's not gonna get you like hundreds of members in a day, I'm not gonna lie to you, but it will get you enough to start off. But that's pretty much everything with this bot. I'm going to leave a link in description, as always, for the partner bots invite, because I'm not just going to leave you guys hanging. So if you have any questions or need to know anything, I don't suggest coming to me. I suggest joining their Discord and asking them questions. But also remember to join our Discord and give us some love. But with nothing else to say, I'll see you guys.